Hi, everybody. It's Monday, August the 3rd, and hopefully at this point you have gotten fuel for your car. You've got plenty of food and batteries and other resources to get you through a power outage. We've recommended at least three days worth of supplies. And what I'd like to talk about today as the storm approaches is just kind of show you some of the websites that we're looking at as we prepare for the storm. Certainly, the National Hurricane Center has lots of great resources, and in this case, this is kind of when you can anticipate the winds. Tropical storm winds will be approaching Beaufort. Another website that I look at fairly frequently is the Weather Underground, specifically for Beaufort, North Carolina. And this gives you a 10-day outlook, but it also kind of gives you good information on temperature, when we expect the rain to arrive. You can see as the barometric pressure decreases that you would anticipate with a storm of this type, and then the amount of rain they're expecting, and then also when the winds should start to arrive. There are lots of different weather radars. In this case, this is the Wonder map that's associated with Weather Underground, but the National Weather Service has a weather radar, and pretty much any local media outlet will have a weather radar for you as well. One area that you may not have seen is some storm surge modeling. And Dr. Rick Ludick over at the University of North Carolina Institute for Marine Sciences and his collaborators have developed the Coastal Emergency Risk Assessment. And we've talked about that 1 to 3 foot storm surge that we're anticipating. In this case, this map shows you that certainly the North River and the Newport River estuary are very vulnerable, and possibly some areas of Front Street may be vulnerable for some of that storm surge. If you're interested in some localized data here, you can look at the NOAA weather station at the Duke Marine Lab, and that has information on tides, not only the forecast, but the actual tides. It has information on winds, air temperature, water temperature, and then barometric pressure as well. And then our fantastic fire chief, Tony Ray, has recently shown me Mike's weather page. And I'm not exactly sure who Mike is, but he's done a great job of consolidating a lot of this information into a single source. So you can find some really good information here on Mike's weather page. So with that, I will give you an update tomorrow after the storm has passed. Please stay safe, and thank you, Beaufort.